Thank you for calling Angel's Number Hotel. This is Cherry speaking. How can I assist you today?
I would like to book a room reservation, please.
Very well. May I know what date of your stay?
On January 27, but will you only stay for 1 week?
Excellent. Now, may I know how many guests and what room type will you avail?
Can you recommend early morning or 30?
Certainly, we have an air-conditioned standard room for 2 packs with 1 single bed and extra bed for only 1,500 per night, and a suite with terrace and a queen bed, and a shower and a bathtub for 3,500 per night.
The standard room sounds nice.
Excellent choice. We have a standard room available on that date for only 1,500 per night.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, good.
May I know your name and email address, please?
The name is Gabriel Sawat, and the email is sadgabriel@gmail.com.
Thank you, Mr. Gabriel. I'm seeking your reservation. We require a 1,000 deposit to guarantee the booking. You can pay the balance upon check-in.
Alright. How do I pay the deposit?
You can pay using card or it can be an online payment.
I'll pay by online transaction. Please go ahead and secure the reservation.
Thank you, Mr. Gabriel. Your reservation is confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you on Angel's Number Hotel on January 27.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Angel's Number Hotel. Allow me to assist you with your luggage.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I'll take care of you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Angel's Number Hotel. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name of Gabriel.
Very well, sir. Let me confirm your reservation. I have your reservation here, sir. A standard room for 1 night. Is that correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Excellent. Could you present your identification card, please?
Oh. Sure. Here.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Here's your ID. And here's your key. Your room number is 304. Please proceed to cashier room.
Okay, thank you. I would like to send them the check-in list.
Sure, can I see your registration and reservation information?
The registration's here, and I have the confirmation of my email. Here.
Very well, sir. How would you like to pay? Sir, cash, card, and token?
I would like to pay in cash.
Excellent, sir. So, according to our system, we're receiving 1,000 down payment. So, your remaining balance would be 500.
Sure. Here.
Your bills are sent, sir. Please enjoy your stay. Mr. Beans, this is Dr. Nestor. Here's your room, sir. Room number 304. Can I enter and take your luggage inside?
Sure, just leave those on the bedside.
One more thing, sir. Allow me to explain the facilities of the room. First, there's your cabinet. You will store your clothes here, a mirror, your couch, your extra bed. Here's your aircon, a table, your amenities, your telephone, one single-size bed, a vanity. Here's your bathroom. It comes with toilet, a sink, a shower with a heater, a bathtub. That's all, sir. Please enjoy your stay.
Okay, take this.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you. If you need anything else, just dial 9 on your telephone.
Hello, this is Alexa from the front office. How may I assist you?
This is Patrick from room 304. I would like to ask for a table.
Sure, sir. What can we do for you?
Can you send someone to do shopping for me? I need to pick up something.
I'm so sorry, sir, but the office staffs are not allowed those kinds personal services for the guests and are not allowed to leave their workplace.
Okay, I understand. Can you suggest nearby stores around near the hotel?
Certainly, sir. The nearest convenience store is just around the first corner.
Very well, thanks for the help.
You're always welcome, sir. Hello, good morning. This is the front office. How may I help you?
Hi, this is room 304. We would like to check out.
Sure, sir. You may come down to the lobby to settle your bills for checkout. Would you like to send a staff to help you with your luggage?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Our staff is on their way there.
A pleasant noon. This is Vince from Bell Service. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, give me this. We're almost ready.
Certainly, take your time.
Let's go. front desk is housekeeping. Room 304 is clear. No damage, no leftovers. Ready for checkout.
Okay, thank you, housekeeper.
I opened it. Sure, may another room. It's room 304. So it says here that you requested the breakfast this morning and now you have a total of 500 extra charge during your stay. Does that sound right?
Yes, that sounds good.
Sir, how would you agree?
Hi, sir.
Thank you. Here's your card, sir. Thank you for choosing this camera. We hope to see you again and you're free.
Thank you. I'll be sure to come back.
Thank you for staying with Indian Slumber Hotel. We hope you enjoyed your stay.
Oh, this is Ray from housekeeping. Room 304 is clean, ready for the next check-in.